All right, so we're still in our login status component.css. We're going to copy over some more items just to make a quick little comment to myself to keep myself on track. So we'll copy another style from styles CSS. We'll grab the one called form header. Then we'll bring it back over here and we're going to rename it as login status header. So let's go ahead and find it first. So we're looking for form header. Okay, there it is. We found it. Let's go ahead and copy this. And swing over here to our login status. And we'll paste it. And then we'll simply rename it as login status header. And again, the reason that we're copying and pasting these items is that we may need to make slight changes to them, or we just want to keep them localized. So in the event that we do make any changes, we don't impact the entire application, only just this login status component. So it just gives us a little bit of flexibility here. Alrighty, so we just have one more style to copy, and this will be the last one. So we're going to copy this .au input and then rename it as the login status user info. And we'll make some changes to this style by removing solid font size and color. All right, so let's go ahead and find AU input. All right, so let's copy that. Swing back over to our login status CSS. We'll paste it. And first off, rename it. Login status user info. So we'll remove, let's see, the solid. And then we'll also remove the font size and color. Okay, so that's it as far as the modifications here for our login status user info. Alrighty, so that was a fun exercise, copying over those CSS styles and making the slight mods and renames. So we need to do one more thing. We need to kind of add this to the main app component.html file. I have app component.html open. And let me expand my window here for a second. So let's move down to that header desktop section. And so we currently have our search component and we also have our cart status component. That's fine. Now let's go ahead and add our new login status component that we just created. We're going to add it here to this header section. So we'll squeeze it in right here between the search and the cart status. So now we have some real estate here for our login status component. So we can welcome back a user and have the logout button, or if they're not logged in, then we give them the login button. And we coded all that logic in the previous set of videos.